Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you the complete solution to 2022 Time Zone 1 Higher Level Paper 1. Question 6. You have two masses connected by the same string over a frictionless pulley. Honestly speaking, completing the full calculation is quite demanding as the algebra work is quite challenging. However, you can still make some tricks to get your chance from 1/4 to 1/2, which is studying the acceleration suggested by the question. M2 is accelerating down, M1 is accelerating up. This makes M2 heavier than M1. So M1 is a small number, meanwhile M2 is a big number. Your required fraction should either be A or B. C and D, they're absolutely wrong, cause they suggest the other way. They suggest M1 is heavier. Do you know that having 50% out of your multiple choices is very likely you can get level 5? So don't give up on challenging question. Sometimes some tricky skills could help you boost your level to 5 or above. How about actually solving this question? You need a lot of algebraic work. Starting with the arrow. M1 is experiencing two forces, a strong tension going up and a weak weight going down. M2, the other way, there is a tension going up, but there is an even stronger weight going down. These two tensions, they are the same in magnitude, because firstly, they are the same string. Second, they are going over a frictionless pulley. So you can write the equation of Newton's second law on these two bodies separately. Starting with M1. Tension is stronger, so it's tension minus M1g equals to M1a, which is M1g over 2. For the object 2, it is M2g minus the tension equals to M2a equals to M2g over 2. Let's make M1 on the left hand side and non-M1 on the right hand side. Then you will have M1g plus M1g over 2 equals to t. After simplifying and making M1 be the subject, you should have 2t over 3g. This is the first important message. Second, similarly, you can make M2 be the subject. After some calculation and rearranging, you should get 2t over g for M2. Lastly, you put these two M1 and M2 together as a fraction. You have M1 over M2. So you have 2t over 3g divided by 2t over g. This is 1 over 3. The answer is A. Thank you for staying with me to the end. Don't hesitate to leave your question or request in the comment section. I'll see you guys next time.